Okay, here's another quick tip for y'all who are like me, work by yourself, and you're working on something that's going to require you to hold something in place on each end, like these cross braces. And if you've ever worked by yourself, you know it can be a bear to first get all these at the same height. And what I do, I cut me a cheater block. Some people call them storyboards or whatever. I call it cheater block, that will go under there, and it will hold this board, every board at the same height. And on the ends, this is not the one I had, but on the ends you can bring it out on each side, and it will hold this board. You put it up here, put the other one there. Let's just do that. Well, that's not the way I had it. Not only will it keep this, once you get this nailed, you put it under there, and I just got it under there. I had these reversed. This will rest here, that will rest over there. Boom, nail it. Nail there, screw it, whatever you're doing to secure it. And not only does that help give you a helping hand, it also keeps all your braces at the same height. Now we come up here, and you're like, oh wow, I can waste a 2x4 and cut it this length, and I don't know if I could, between this and this one, and to rest my 2x4 on, I might even have to secure it here. But in this case, what I do with the ones that's tall is I'm going to measure up to the bottom of this, or I'll just, drop the phone, or I will get my trusty screw. I'll put one right here under each side, and it will hold the board when I put it up here, and that way I can screw it or nail it. So anyway, I see people struggling with this all the time. I prefer have a cheater board, but I'm not, like I say, I could cut a 2x4 here and waste it, and maybe I could use it someplace else, probably so, but to me it's just faster. Once I get here, I can just put a screw in each side, put my board on, nail it, and be done with it. So anyway, keep that in mind next time you're working by yourself. Just a little quick tip to help you get something done a little quicker. So DonaldDIY.com. Hey, right down there someplace here, I believe. Subscribe, like, and subscribe. And don't forget, check these videos out, or wherever it's at. It seems YouTube keeps messing with me on that. So anyway, hope y'all have a good day. Hope your projects turn out good. Donald, I'm out.